In this lesson, we're going to learn how to write a number using digits. So if we have a problem like this one that says, how do you write this number using digits? What is the value of the first digit? So it's a two-part problem. So the first part is you have to write out the number, and then you need to figure out what the value of the first digit is after you're done writing it. So this is the number in words, 123,558. So what you need to do is use your place value chart. Okay, so this is the hundred thousands place value, this is the 10,000s place value, this is the thousands, this is the hundreds, this is the tens, this is the ones. Okay, so now we need to break down the number. Okay, so let's start to do that. So we have 123,000. So we know there's a 100,000 in here. So here's the 100,000. The next one, 123,000. So we know there's a 20,000 in there. Okay. Then the next one is 123,000. So we know there's a 3,000 in there. And then the next one, 123,500. So here's the 500 and 58. So and 50 and then and 8. There's the 8. Okay, so I've used the same colors as in this chart. So it'll make it easier for you to figure out where each one goes. So now add the numbers. So let's do that. So let me use this. Okay, so we're going to add the numbers. Okay, so all of these are 0, but then we just add an 8. Okay, so we're just going to add 8 here. And then all of these are 0 except the 5. So the 5 is pink. And then again here, we add all of them up, and there's just a 5 here. So we're going to put that in as 5 with blue. And then the 3 here is just the 3 by itself. So we put that in. And then we have a 2, and that's going to be purple. And then we have the 1 that we add by itself. So that's just 1. Okay, so this is how it looks. 123,558. So 123,558. So now we can put those numbers in. So we put the 1 here, and then we can put the 2 here, the 3 into the thousands, the 5 into the hundreds, the 5 into the tens, and then the 8 into the ones. And that's it. That's how you do that problem. So now we need to figure out the value of the first digit. What is the value of the first digit? This is the first digit. The value of the first digit is 100,000. If this first digit was a 2 or a 3, say it was 3, then the value of the first digit would be 300,000. Okay, so that's the end of that lesson. Don't worry if you didn't get that right away. You could just rewatch the video. There's nothing wrong with repetition. You can do this, and anyone can do math. You could check out the description. I have links to other videos of mine if you need extra help. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, there's this exact lesson, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch this video. There's a link there and you can just click on it. Thank you so much for watching, and please make sure to like and subscribe.